a monument still stands in the church, which notes the date of Shakespeare's death as 23rd April 1616. William Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet, and actor. He is widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's preeminent dramatist. He is often called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon. William Shakespeare's important work is widely considered as the greatest dramatist of all time, as well as the most influential writer in this history of the English language. He originated hundreds of words and phrases that English speakers use to this day. Number 1. What made you think this character is gifted? So William Shakespeare is widely considered one of the most gifted writers in the history. His extraordinary talent is evident in several ways, such as mastery of language. Shakespeare's command of the English language was unparalleled. He crafted intricate metaphors, vivid imagery, and complex sentence structures that enrich the language and elevate in its new heights. So his plays are filled with memorable quotes and phrases that have become engraved in our cultural lexicon. So the second one is the deep understanding of human nature. Shows Shakespeare possesses a profound understanding of human emotions, motivations, and complicities. His characters as nuanced, retellable, and timeless, resonating with audiences across centuries. He explored universal themes of love, loss, ambition, betrayal, and revenge, making his work relevant to all times. The third one is the unparalleled creativity. Shakespeare's imagination was boundless. He created fantastical worlds, invented new characters, and explored unconventional plots. His plays range from historical dramas and comedies to tragedies and romances, showcasing his versatility and artistic genius. So this characteristic was combined with the enduring impact of his work, lead to the conclusion that William Shakespeare was a gifted individual.
So number 2 questions. Describe the ways in which the character's giftedness manifests and how people around the gifted child respond to child's characteristics. So, while we don't have direct accounts of William Shakespeare's childhood, we can infer how his giftedness might have manifested based on his later works and the societal norms of his time. So, manifestations of giftedness of William Shakespeare. So, early language skills. Shakespeare's mastery of language suggests he likely displayed exceptional verbal abilities from a young age. He might have been a quick learner, easily absorbing new vocabulary and grammar, and demonstrating a natural talent for storytelling. Number 2, curiosity and imagination. His boundless creativity hints at a curious and imaginative mind. He might have been fascinated by the world around him, asking questions, exploring different perspectives, and creating stories in his head. Number 3, academic aptitudes. Shakespeare received a basic education in the King's New School at Stratford. He might have excelled in his studies, particularly in subjects like literature, history, and drama. His schoolmasters might have recognized his potential and encouraged his literature pursuits. So number 4, social skills and observation. His profound understanding of human nature suggests an astute observer of people and their interactions. He might have possessed strong social skills, easily engaging in conversation and observing the nuances of human behavior. So responses of people around William Shakespeare. So number one, family and community. His family likely encouraged his intellectual development. His father, a successful businessman, might have provided him with resources and opportunities for learning. The community might have recognized his talent and supported his aesthetic or artistic endeavors. Fears. He might have been admired by his peers for his wit, his storytelling abilities, and his intellectual curiosity. Some might have felt intimidated or envious of his talents. Schoolmasters and his mentors. His teachers might have recognized his exceptional abilities and provided him with challenges and guidance. He might have sought out mentors who could help him develop his skills and explore his passion. So overall, it's likely that Shakespeare's giftedness was recognized and nurtured, but it might have also sparked a mix of admiration, envy, and perhaps even some resistance.
So, questions number 3. In which profile of gifted individuals does this character fall? The successful, creative, underground, at risk, twice, exceptional, autonomous learner. Well, William Shakespeare fits the profile of the successful, creative, gifted individual. This category is characterized by high level of creativity, originality, and the ability to produce work that resonates with a broad audience. Shakespeare contributes to literature, particularly in drama and poetry, showcase his exceptional creative talents. His work demonstrates not only profound understanding of human emotions and relationships, but also innovative use of language, structure, and storytelling techniques. Shakespeare's ability to engage with complex themes such as love, betrayal, and identity reflects the depth of his creative insight. Additionally, the successful creative individual often thrives in environments that allow for exploration and expression of their talents. Shakespeare output and enduring legacy suggests that he capitalized on opportunities for collaboration and performance, which further his creative process. While elements of other profiles, such as being an autonomous learner, are potentially facing challenges, typically of at-risk individuals due to his unique perspective and the societal norms of his time, may also be present. It is the hallmark of successful creativity that most prominently defines Shakespeare's profile as a gifted individual.
So question number 4 is, what factors in the story were helpful and harmful to this character giftedness? What were the consequences brought about by these factors to that character? So, William Shakespeare's extraordinary talent was shaped by a confluence of factors, both beneficial and challenging. The cultural and linguistic environment in his time, his education, and the vibrant theater scenes of London provide him with fertile ground for growth. Despite this challenge, his ability to translate human experience into captivating narratives, coupled with his unparalleled mastery of language, ensure his lasting legacy. Shakespeare's works stand as a testament to the enduring power of human activity
and the ability of art to transcend time and culture. Regardless of the specific factor that contributed to his success, Shakespeare's impact on literature, culture, and undeniable. He remains a towering figure in the history of English literature. His work offering rich tapestry of human experience and timeless exploration of the human condition.
Questions number 5. As a future of teacher, how will you handle students with the same characteristic as the character? Well, as a future teacher handling students with characteristics similar to William Shakespeare, I will focus on nurturing their creativity, intellect, and emotional depth. Recognizing that Shakespeare was known for his linguistic prowess, love of storytelling, and keen observation of human nature, I will implement several strategies to support such a student. First, I will create a classroom environment that encourages imaginative thinking and open expression. This goal involves incorporating writing exercises that allow the student to explore different genres, from poetry to dramatic script. I will provide opportunities for them to perform their work, fostering confidence and a sense of community, understanding that Shakespeare often built into complex themes of love, conflict, and morality. I will engage a student in discussion about literature and its connections to real-life experience. This will help them relate their thoughts and feelings to broader societal issues. Social issues, then social issues, and social issues. Promoting critical societal issues, promoting critical thinking, empathy. Additionally, wait, just give me a time. Additionally, I will recognize the potential challenges that come with a highly creative mind, such as the risk of becoming overly introspective or self-critical. To address this, I will implement reflective practices encouraging the student to journal about their experiences and emotions. This will help them process their feelings and gain perspective. Collaboration will also be key. I will encourage group projects that allow them to work alongside peers, share ideas, and learning to appreciate different viewpoints. This collaborative spirit mirrors the ensemble nature of theater and will help the student develop social skills while their craft. By providing supportive and enriching environment, I will aim to cultivate the student's unique talents, guiding them to harness their creativity effectively and positively, much like Shakespeare did with his own gift.